This is Ajani Malik, fitness expert and health coach. Okay, so today I want to give you 3 fitness benefits when it comes to using core sliders. Now, core sliders are also known as gliding discs. They are thin discs shaped like paper plates. Now, core sliders are one of the smallest and more affordable pieces of equipment that's available. Now, if you enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make comments, and you subscribe to my channel. Okay, now core sliders need a smooth surface to slide on, like wood, or you can also use carpet as well. Now, sliders are relatively easy to use, although it takes a little time to make the movements smooth and fluid. What you do is you place your feet or hands on the smooth surface to use them while you glide doing your exercises. Now, with your feet on the 2 glide discs, you can smoothly slide into a lunge without lifting your feet off the floor to work your glutes, your quadriceps, and your hamstrings. Now, through the full range of motion, you're engaging and you're stabilizing muscles since the discs create an unstable surface. You can also work your upper body with the gliding disc as well with push-ups. What you do is you place your hands on the disc while you slide them apart, and as you move your chest towards the floor. Then you bring them back together as you return to the starting position. Now, you can also move your hands forward as you lower your chest towards the floor for a different variation. Push-ups with gliding discs work your chest muscles more than a traditional push-up. Now, gliding discs make movements very fluid and engage muscles throughout the full range of motion. Now, because you can use them on your hands or on your feet, what you're gonna get a total body workout. So, what are the benefits of working out with gliding discs? When you work out with discs, your hands and your feet never leave the floor. So it's a total body workout that's low impact. A major benefit of using core discs is that you will improve your stability after using them after, just say, for a few weeks. Now, gliding discs engage your core muscles throughout the full range of motion during an exercise while inducing a balance challenge. The long, graceful movements are also a good way to increase your flexibility as well. So, it's never been easier to work your inner thighs so effectively without lying down on the floor. Simply glide your legs apart and bring them together with your feet on the disc. Now, the beauty of the gliding disc is you can use them in a variety of different workouts, like at the gym, at your home, or you can take them when you travel. They're great for an aerobic workout, for muscle shaping, and also for strengthening moves. You can also use them for a frisbee. No, I'm just kidding. So, you can use them though for a nice, fun, different type of challenging workout. So I highly recommend the core sliders disc. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, make comments, and subscribe to my channel. This is Ajani Malik, fitness expert and health coach.